treat yourself to a test drive in the 2012 Ford F-250. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a trailer hitch, and air conditioning. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.